Today we are looking at a brand new D3 bucket elevator. This unit was brought in for stock by us here at Commodity Traders International. Pause the video here for pertinent data. As you can see, this is a D3-1000 and it has a 60-foot, 10-inch discharge height. Again, pause the video here for a description of the specifications of this bucket elevator. This unit does not have a motor on it because we do not know the customer's voltage, whether it be single phase or three phase. As I said, this unit is brand new, brought in for stock here at Commodity Traders International. You can skip the lead time by purchasing this bucket elevator directly from us. This unit is equipped with a sealed clean-out door that goes below the boot. That's a very nice, expensive option. You can see the drawer there, right there. Here we have hardware for the unit. The unit has the standard stainless sweep. This allows for less clean out when you're done. All safety shielding is intact. Has the quick clean out hinged door. You can see here. This unit also has the valve adapter right here. So you can either put a squared around on that or head right off with a multiple direction valve. Unit has the inlet here. This bolts on to the boot. It is upside down, just bolted to the inspection section for shipment. Just continuing our walk around. This unit, of course, has a very nice Dodge shaft mount reducer. This unit was brought in for stock. The unit is set up in the 1,000 bushel per hour gentle handling speed. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.